Hey guys, so quick video for you about the Bumble and primarily like the free versus paid and what you can actually like expect out of it. So first thing first, for who is it like good the free version? So if you're gonna get a free version, so it's entirely functional for finding matches and messaging, no cost. But you got limited swipes, cannot see who liked you instantly, and requires more time swiping to find mutual matches. Now, what actually like works? This is like remember this. You can like delete account and recreate an account offers a new user boost. So primarily like this is thing is that when it's going to be like not that great, you can just like delete the account and create a new one, and then you're gonna have like a boost for it for the free version. Okay, so then when you can dive even further, so you're gonna have also the pros of the Bumble, that you can have like beeline to see likes, unlimited swipes, advanced filters like exercise, education, and spotlight. But the cons is got higher cost. Some people report a decrease in match quality or quantity after paying, claiming the app also hides them after payment. So it's like worth it only if you already receive many likes and want to save time filtering through them, or if you are in major city with high demand. So for like if you're a man, it's kind of like worth it for like match rate, or you can like delete the account and like create a new one. But for women is usually are really unnecessary. So you get like a high volume of people like coming after you. So so if you are not getting any matches on free, paying will probably not likely to fix the underlying issues. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.